Welcome to Code Effectively. The topic for today is to print this series, that is 2, 6, 12, 20, 30. So you must know the basic logic behind this program, and the basic logic is we will be making sure that we know how to just calculate the square and we add the number itself that we are using. Okay, just see this. This is the main line of code behind it. Let me just take, let's say let I is equals to 1. So when we will take the square of 1 and we will add 1 itself to the number, it will be 1 plus 1, that gives out to be 2. Again, similarly, when I will be 2, it will be 2 into 2 and then plus 2. It will be 2 plus 2. Okay, so it will be 2 into 2 makes 4. 4 plus 2 gives out to be 6, and we got a second term. So this is the logic that I am using. Okay, so now let's start with the program. What I will be doing, I will be just making sure that a program is running. So for this, I will make you to give a big dry run. Okay, so when I is equals to 1, and let's say I want to print 5 terms for the series. Okay, so when I is equals to 1, int I equals to 1. Initially I will be 1 and s is equals to 0. Okay, so now let's start. When I will be 1, s is equals to I into I plus I. So what is the value of I initially? 1. So s will be I into I. That is 1 into 1 plus 1. It gives out to be 2. So we will print 2. So 2 is been printed here. Again, when the value of I will be 2. Okay, again it will come inside the loop and it will be s is equals to I into I plus I. So what is the value of I? 2. So 2 into 2 plus 2. It gives out to be 6. So we got a second term, that is 6. SOPS, s is 6. Again, I will be now 3. As soon as the I is 3, we will come inside the for loop. It will be s is equals to I into I. What is the value of s? 3. I value is 3. So we will take 3 into 3 and then plus I. What is the value of I? It's 3. So it will be 12, and we will print another term, that is 12. Again, the value of I will be now 4, and again s will be s is equals to I into I plus I. So it will be 4. Now 4 into 4 plus 4. What it will be now? It will be 20, and 20 will be printed now. Again, I value will go up and it will be 5. It will check 5 is less than equals to 5. Condition true, because 5 is less than equal to 5. The equal condition is getting true. So again s is equals to 5 into 5 plus 5. And we will get another term, that is 30, and 30 will be printed. As soon as the value of I will be now 6, the condition will be false, because we know I is less than equals to 5, and 6 less than equals to 5, the condition becomes false. So the loop will come out and we got a series, and this will be my series that will be printed, that is 2, 6, 12, 30, and I got my series printed that I wanted. Okay, so this is how you will print your given series. If you are asked 2, 6, 12, so you have to use I into I plus I, this methodology. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please go and subscribe to the Code Effectively channel. Thank you for watching.